So now we have here their latest collaboration on their flagship Oppo Find X2 Pro, and you really have to consider this as a limited edition since besides the high-end form factor, it pretty much shares the same powerful spec sheet as the standard Find X2 Pro. I'm really excited to show you guys what's in the box and the new look, so let's jump into it. So we have here a large black patterned box that of course resembles the luxury brand. Sliding that off and we get another box that cleverly opens up like a Lambo. And there it is, the unit itself. Usually we would set it aside first, but I can't wait to see this, so let's check it out. So there are significant improvements compared to the first design they did for the Find X, and I like it. Even the theme blends well and it truly screams Lamborghini. But let's talk more about that later. Let's see the other things included. We have here the manuals, SIM ejector tool, and that warranty card. There's also this Lamborghini custom case, a thick adapter, two Type-C to Type-A cables. I'm guessing the other one is for the car charger or really just a backup. We also get a special edition wireless earphones. Here's a closer look. And you wouldn't miss that custom car charger. Okay, going back to the phone itself, we get a glass back that has a slightly reflective carbon fiber look, just like the one you can find in a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. Oppo didn't specify what glass protection they used, but it sure looks tough with a diamond-like form. So those long lines that you can see are actually ridged glass. Then we also have some gold accents for the logos, around its triple camera module, and on the power button that's located on the right. On the left, you'll find its volume rocker, while on top are its noise-canceling mic and two antenna bands. Now located at the bottom are the speaker grill, Type-C port, primary mic, and a SIM card slot for a single nano SIM. Up front, we get the same great 6.7-inch 3K OLED curved screen with a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. Plus, it's protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 6. It's got a punch hole on the top left for the front-facing camera, and the loudspeakers are placed along the edge at the top corner so it doesn't take space away from the display. It's also worth noting that like the standard version, the display has a touch sampling rate of up to 240Hz, which is pretty much the highest we've seen in any smartphone to date. Now powering this device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 paired with an Adreno 650 GPU. And like the regular Find X2 Pro, it packs 12GB of RAM, 512GB UFS 3.0 storage, 4260mAh battery with 65W Super VOOC 2.0 flash charge, and ColorOS 7.1 for software that's based on Android 10. Scrolling through, its theme really gives a polished metallic vibe to present the overall collaboration with Lamborghini. Obviously, the performance is completely comparable to the smooth encounter we had with the standard Find X2 Pro. But watch for our full review coming soon because you'll never know, we might see more improvements in the numbers and day-to-day experience. As for cameras, the Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition keeps 3 cameras at the back, composed of a 48MP Sony IMX689 main, a 48MP Sony IMX589 ultra-wide, and a 13MP periscope telephoto lens. Meanwhile, on that punch hole is a 32MP front-facing camera. If you've seen our Oppo Find X2 Pro review, then you probably already have an idea of its camera quality. Quite powerful shooters thanks to its big sensors. And again, we'll show you more in our full review, but for now, here are some sample photos we got. When it comes to price, there's no official price yet locally, but of course expect it to be cheaper than a Lamborghini, but more expensive than the standard version. But to give you an idea, in China it's available for 12,999 yuan, so probably around 91 to 95,000 pesos. Come on, you know it's gonna be expensive. So what do you think of this limited edition Oppo Find X2 Pro Automobili Lamborghini? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, or am wishing to get a Lamborghini smartphone, then give us a like. Subscribe to our channel for more content.